Do you ever notice this when you have a chaotic morning, such as when you snooze your alarm, skip breakfast, and rush out the door? Your day appears to be just as crazy as your morning. Every day, whether you realize it or not, you rely on habitual ways of thinking and behaving. These aren't just part of your daily routine, they're an integral part of your way of life. Making a habit of doing something is an important part of living a healthy lifestyle. Habits form because they are either simple and convenient or take the path of least resistance. Positive habits can be difficult to form at first, so you may need to put some time and effort to cultivate them until they become second nature. This is especially true when it comes to morning habits. What you cultivate first thing in the morning has a significant impact on how you feel, act, and think throughout the day. Here are 10 simple habits you can start right now to help you maintain your peak mental and physical performance for the rest of the day, improve your performance, and achieve your goals. Let's get going. Number 1. Drink a glass of natural fresh water and get a dose of warmth from the sun. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning is the best way to rehydrate your body after going several hours without drinking anything. Lemon added to a warm glass of water and Ayurvedic therapy helps you get rid of toxins in your digestive tract that may have built up overnight, as well as providing a good source of vitamin C, refreshing your breath, promoting weight loss, and boosting metabolism and digestion. For a healthy and refreshing start to your day, drink from the bottom up first thing in the morning. Number 2. Enable airplane mode or disable cell phone reception to avoid distractions from your phone. Most people check their smartphones first thing in the morning for messages or for work email. You are depriving yourself of time to do more productive things if you do this every morning. As a result of checking your phone every morning, you will develop a reactive mindset rather than a proactive one, causing you to begin your day in a defensive state rather than one of peace and self-control. You're putting yourself in a stressful situation, which is one of the first effects of stress. Checking your phone right after you wake up may cause unnecessary stress and anxiety because you will receive a flood of new messages, emails, to-dos, and other items, all of which will cause you stress and anxiety. Instead, this disrupts your ability to get your morning off to a peaceful start. According to researchers, avoiding looking at electronic devices as soon as you wake up is the best way to start your day. This reduces your stress levels while also making you feel less rushed and overwhelmed. Furthermore, according to a study conducted by the University of Gothenburg in Sweden, there is a direct link between the use of mobile phones and sleep disturbances, as well as depression symptoms in young men and young women. It has been proven that using your phone first thing in the morning reduces your brain's ability to concentrate. Dr. Saeed Nicole Benders-Hadi, a psychiatrist, was quoted by the Elite Daily as saying that in addition to making it difficult to prioritize tasks, lulling you into a half-asleep state while information piles up hinders your ability to focus. Furthermore, looking at your phone while still in bed can drain your time and attention, resulting in less productivity. When you've developed a habit of checking your phone excessively, you may feel left out because you are not using it, and this may lead you to seek out the experience of using your phone in order to feel satisfied. According to Tristan Harris, a former Google design ethicist who is now the founder of the Center for Humane Technology. Instead, concentrate on maintaining a presence of mind by limiting your use of technology for the first hour of your day so that you can focus on being present, moment-aware, and optimistic in your approach. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more information on how to develop a positive mindset in order to improve your life and wealth. And check in the description my number 1 recommendation for achieving that easier. Number 3. Keep a gratitude journal and write down everything you're grateful for. Even if you don't have time to exercise, it's also beneficial to practice gratitude as soon as you wake up. When you smile, it sends a signal to your brain, which releases feel-good neurotransmitters like dopamine, endorphins, and serotonin, which elevates your mood. It reduces physical stress and it slows your heart rate. I mean, who wouldn't want to start their day on such a positive note? Begin to reflect on what you are grateful for as you smile to increase your sense of gratitude. Gratitude has been shown to have a variety of health benefits, including lowering stress hormones and improving your mood, according to research. Adding a simple daily gratitude practice to your routine can help start your day off right. Before you get out of bed in the morning, complete the exercise in 1 minute by thinking about one thing you are grateful for and one person who has had an impact on your life. Number 4. Try to make your bed. Make a point of making your bed. Tim Ferriss of The Tim Ferriss Show and his podcast, The Tim Ferriss Show, has interviewed over 100 highly successful people with diverse backgrounds and skill sets. While talking to people from various areas and professions, what is your morning routine? He will always inquire. Because it's not always as simple as pulling the covers and blankets up to your neck, the bed is probably the most difficult thing to make for a beginner, unless you buy a cheap mattress and have it delivered. Making the bed, on the other hand, is a simple task for anyone who has done it before because it only takes a few seconds and immediately puts you in a good mood. Increasing your responsibilities and performing simple tasks will provide you with a solid foundation on which you can build more and more throughout the day. Number 5. Concentrate for a few minutes by meditating. Morning routines such as meditation and mindfulness, as well as an organized breathing and relaxation technique, can help you ground yourself and better train your mind and emotions, resulting in better reactions to difficult situations throughout the day. Additionally, during your meditation, it is a wonderful time to set your intentions for the day. You can make well-informed decisions that will lead to the life you truly want to live when you have a clear idea of what you want from your day, how you want to feel, and what you want to accomplish. Let's start with something simple. How do you begin? If you follow these steps, you will be able to start your day with more mindfulness. To begin, sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor and your knees slightly bent. Then, set a 5-minute timer. Relax your mind and concentrate on your breathing for a few moments. Inhale for 4 counts through your nose, hold your breath for 4 counts, and then exhale for 8 counts through your nose. When you start, you notice your mind wandering. Gently bring it back to the present moment by concentrating on your breathing. Instead of rushing through your day's tasks, make a goal for yourself and visualize yourself accomplishing it. Then simply stretch your arms and shoulders and go about your day, carrying the exercise's benefits with you.